Good morning, folks. It's going to be a good day. Doesn't appear these people are very concerned with Venice's record and unexpected flooding. Gas leaks are being discovered off the Israeli coast, and Kilimanjaro ice sheet is fading very fast. Third day of the quake watch, we had a 6.4 in Alaska, a 6.0 off the coast of Chile, and a moderate swarm on or near the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. A fairly significant winter storm has hit northern China. Large snow cover and way below freezing. Temperatures will be stable in southern Europe this week and highly variable in the north. Also, your precipitation likelihoods here. Last 12 hours over Australia and New Zealand, very easy to tell where the rain is headed, and here's your temperature forecast as well. Anyone in the eastern US get rain yesterday? I'm going to play this through twice so you can watch the Gulf of Mexico and other water bodies shifting moist air into that colder system. Beautiful dynamics. And if you remember, a cyclonic low sucks in the wind. This high pressure system is helically pushing the air out. Our magnetic shields were calm, quiet. Then the combined Hyder flare and filament eruption coronal mass ejection struck in succession, creating multiple shifts in the solar wind. Beginning with the speed, in the yellow we go from 300 up near 500 kilometers per second. Density was down near 1 proton per cubic meter, and we spent a good deal of time taking between 2 and 3 orders of magnitude more. Coming up top to the BZ component, when it went down, our shields became unstable momentarily. Earth's magnetism held up well though, no plasma penetration and measly induced resonance. The F1 critical frequency is above the 8 MHz line for the third straight day, and if the red BZ tips south, there is enough nanotesla to cause significant geomagnetic storm. Hopefully you remember that the heliocentric alignments kicked up today, and that's quite the uptick. Top flare was an M6. Looking at the sun, darker areas north and south are coronal holes, fairly sizable ones. Each of the M flares took place on the southeastern limb. Let's watch these pop off here. Let's take a look at the active regions, starting south center and going clockwise around. Some magnetic mixing in the center, but so far nothing to show for it. The red spot at the bottom right of this region is causing the M flares this morning. On the northeastern limb, top central portion is very close to being a delta spot. It's gamma certainly, and another one is cresting behind it. Finally, I've been dogging these spots, but look at the center developing. We'll have to watch it. The solar flare and earthquake watch continues. Eclipse happening soon. For those with a good view, it begins in a few hours, and I'd love to see some of your video or pictures. Eyes open, no fear, it's 6 a.m. Eastern time, and that's the news. Be safe, everyone.